Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3 X4 that generation here from year 2010 to year 2018. If you need to find where the fuses and relays for the BMS sensor are located, those are known as battery sensor fuses and relays. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure you stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys, we'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3, X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So the BMS sensor fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them guys, we will demonstrate on this BMW right here. As you know, BMW X3, X4, they're built on the same platform, so it should work for both. You have multiple fuse boxes, some of them are extremely hidden, but now guys, here we have something that we want to talk about. If you come in the trunk, okay, now the main fuse box in the trunk is here on the side. If you remove that cover, leave that insulation, that's the fuse box here. But by the way, before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys, you practically wasted your money. So all you have to do is check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below, how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So guys, that's not what we need. We still need to come to the trunk, but you need to lift that cover up, and when you lift it up, underneath is your battery. Now you need to remove one cover underneath, but you get to the battery, and if you look right here on the negative terminal, that's your BMS sensor, that's a battery sensor right here. Now the fuses for that thing guys, most likely, okay, you will need to go, okay, check this thing out on top of the battery, that red box. Now if you open that one, we'll have a video how to do it. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 fuses. Most likely the function of the BMS sensor fuse is built in one of those that you will guys need to check. The relay part, practically you don't have relay, it's just known as a fuse relay, so that's the only thing that you will need to check. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping, guys. We're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because you have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes, guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well, guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.